Let's check in with Kristi as we get near this weekend. And yeah, lots of rain today, but it's picking up.
Sure is. So what we were talking about yesterday is by the end of the day, things starting to brighten up. And look, Chris, it is happening as we speak, which is nice. So you can expect that trend to continue through the evening hours. For those of you in the Fraser Valley, it's a little darker and you still have a chance of showers, but you will see some sunshine tomorrow. Here's a quick look at what we're dealing with. So there's the cold front that has moved across the region. We still have unsettled conditions in behind, so still a chance of showers, and you can see a few lightning strikes, but we're also dealing with very windy conditions in behind. So gusts are ranging from 30 to 50 kilometers an hour. This is not wind warning criteria, and we likely won't see any power outages, but certainly blustery in behind that front right across the province. Now, as we head into tomorrow, we're back to rainfall for the north central coast and northern Vancouver Island regions, and a little bit in through the interior. But for the most part across the south coast, we're expecting a bit of cloud cover, and it will be the type of situation where we'll see cloud cover, but it will still be bright. You'll see some sunshine in the mix, and that pattern is expected to continue into our Sunday also. So there's your Saturday. Very fall-like for the north and central coast region, but sunny skies expected in through the southern interior. High teens expected there. Quite a bit of cloud cover across Vancouver Island. A little bit less so for the lower mainland and southern tip of Vancouver Island. Highs will range from about 16 degrees near the water to 17 or 18 away from the water. So a similar pattern both Saturday and Sunday. Chris, the next chance for rainfall is not until late in the day Monday, so it looks like it'll be a pretty nice fall weekend. Back to you.
Can't wait. Sounds great. Thank you very much, Kristi. Much needed rain, and a lot of it this morning, but the sun has come out in the afternoon here. Here's Kristi with the weekend forecast too.
Thanks so much, Chris. Yeah, so heading into the weekend with brighter skies after what was a pretty gray and wet morning this morning, that's for sure. So certainly brighter if you're in the Fraser Valley. You're not seeing as much clearing in your region, but you will as you head into tomorrow. So let's get right into things. Tomorrow we're expecting a fair amount of cloud cover across the region, but it will still feel bright and it will be dry throughout the day, but we are certainly going to be contending with cloud cover. So a daytime high of 16 degrees, which is right where we should be for this time of year. Should be a pleasant weekend because we're expecting similar conditions on Sunday. Now, for those of you in the interior regions, we're getting in behind this front. We still have a number of showers, so a little bit of instability. You can see a few lightning strikes there, but we're also looking at very gusty conditions. There aren't any wind warnings in place, but the gusts will likely continue into the evening hours, and we're not anticipating any power outages, but just be aware of that. Now, this is what we're expecting tomorrow, though. Another wave of rainfall shifts onto the north and central coast, northern Vancouver Island as well. Cloud cover across our region here and a few showers in the central interior. So that's the cloud cover that I was mentioning for our region Saturday and Sunday. But for those of you across northern Vancouver Island, Powell River North, right up into the north coast region, Sunday certainly looking wet for you, and we'll see a few showers in through the interior regions as well, like the Thompson and over towards the Columbia region. Again, that's Sunday. This forecast you see here is Saturday. So lots of sunshine expected across southern regions. The bulk of the rainfall will be across the north and central coast and northern Vancouver Island. Vancouver Island, you will see a fair amount of cloud cover, and we are expecting passing cloud cover here and there, both Saturday and Sunday, although daytime highs should reach a nice 16, 17 degrees. The next chance of rainfall is not until late in the day Monday, and we're expecting some rainfall still on Tuesday. Here's tonight's Central Windows weather window, which I understand was taken yesterday. Natalie Tan sharing this, for looking out from New Westminster, and you can see sort of a quarter rainbow and two of them on the side there. Beautiful shot. Thanks, Natalie.
Yeah, that's gorgeous. Thanks for sending that in, Natalie, and thanks, Kristi. How fun would it be to work in that lab with all of those toys? Very cool, and good luck in Switzerland when you do go at the end of the month, guys. Okay, there is Kristi. Let's check in on that weekend forecast one more time. I can't get enough of it with that sunshine.
Well, we're certainly going to see cloud cover. That's one thing to remember, but I think it'll be bright. You'll see the sun peeking through absolutely on and off through Saturday and into Sunday. Daytime highs right where we should be, so it should be a really pleasant fall day, that's for sure. Now, for those of you across the north coast, a bit of a stormy both Saturday and Sunday for you, so we're very lucky down here.
Good luck to the Lions tonight, and thank you very much as a board member of the CKNW Kids Fund to owner Amar Doman, who has donated $225,000 over the next 3 years to the CKNW Kids Fund, and I'll get a chance to shake his hand down at the game tonight. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great weekend.